Can you guess what materials were used to build this modern family home? Is it timber? Is it glass? Is it steel or concrete? This multi-level house in the woods is exclusively constructed using shipping containers. It consists of shipping containers stacked on 2 levels, following the HS8 model by Honomobo. The living space is created on 1 floor by stitching together containers placed side by side, and a similar number with a similar configuration on the upper floor to accommodate the private spaces of the house. This amazing house features large glazed openings and spacious outdoor decks with breathtaking views of the pristine landscape. The entrance leads into a dedicated area that takes you to a well-lit open-plan living space facing north. The beautiful kitchen is equipped with high-quality stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, and storage cabinets under the counter. It offers a generous cooking and preparation area with excellent finishes, abundant light, and fresh air provided by a large kitchen window. The kitchen also includes a large island that can be used as a workspace or a breakfast counter that can comfortably sit 4 people. The sunlit living area is nicely furnished with a large couch and a cozy wood fireplace, perfect for chilly evenings. Adjacent to the lounge is a stylish dining space filled with natural light, featuring a custom dining table and chairs. The living areas are surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass doors that offer stunning bush views and seamlessly connect to a chic timber deck, allowing you to enjoy the surrounding nature. The living area also provides access to a guest bathroom and a laundry room. There is a guest bedroom adjacent to the living space with a comfortable bed, floor-to-ceiling wardrobe to optimize on storage space, and large glass windows opening to a balcony. A wooden floating staircase connects to the upper floor of the house. The entryway to the second floor serves as a flexible space, perfect for a home office. From this flexible space, you can reach the family room, which features a comfortable couch overlooking the outdoors through floor-to-ceiling glass windows. The panoramic windows maximize the views from every angle. The upper floor includes 2 bedrooms, a master ensuite, and a common bathroom. The spacious and well-lit bedrooms are similar in size and offer sufficient space for a double bed, a closet, and personal touches. Both bedrooms share a sleek bathroom with a large bathtub and shower, a vanity with a spacious mirror, a toilet, and ample storage cabinets. On the other side of the family room is the master bedroom. It includes a comfortable queen bed, adequate closets, and large window that fills the interior space with natural light, highlighting the stunning views. The deluxe master bathroom features a glass shower cubicle, a double sink bathroom vanity with a large mirror, creating spacious ambience. The interior of the house is painted in light colors, enhancing the sense of openness and benefiting from the natural light that floods in through the sizable glass windows. Additionally, the house is fully insulated, providing comfort even during winter. The expansive decks offer amazing outdoor views and provide a tranquil space for reading or enjoying the scenery while savoring a cup of tea or a glass of wine. This amazing home is one of the latest models by Honomobo, and it forms part of the H series known as HS8. Feel free to check it out from their website using the links in the description below. What do you like about this amazing shipping container family home? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like what you're seeing, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase such projects and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.